In Chaos Control Cloud, it's possible to set up email triggers. This can be useful if, for example, you want to be emailed sales figures on a regular basis, or if you want customers to be emailed their statements. In most cases, this will involve having custom reports written, but for this example, we'll use one of the default reports that comes with the system. I'll set up a trigger that will email me a list of sales orders twice a day. To do this, we need to be in System Setup, and then we click on Email Triggers. This will open up the email trigger list, which by default includes a setting where you can adjust the frequency of Chaos Control Cloud backups. To create a new trigger, we click on the plus symbol at the top of the screen. Now we can enter the details of our trigger rule. First of all, we'll give it a name. If the rule we're designing is intended to email customers, the email doc type field allows us to select which of a customer's preferred email address types to use. For example, if we're emailing customer statements, then we would select the statement email address. This is used if the customer has more than one email address and has different email addresses for different document types. As this rule is going to be sending internal emails, we'll leave this field blank. The execute period is the period of time in days between each application of the rule. The default is 1, which means that the rule will be run daily. I want to be emailed twice a day, so I'm going to set this figure to 0.5, which means the system will email me twice a day or every 12 hours. The last executed date and time will default to the date and time that you're creating the rule. This can be rolled forward or backwards as necessary to control the times at which the rule will operate. The next executed date and time fields will populate as soon as we save the rule and will tell us the first time the rule is scheduled to run. As this rule is designed to send internal emails, we now need to enter the internal email address that we would like the report emailing to. The disable toggle will allow us to turn the rule on and off, and apply when no data returned means that we'll be emailed even if there's no data to report. We now need to select which of our reports we would like to be emailed. To do this, we click on the New button. This will show a list of the standard reports that come with the system and also any custom reports that you may have had written. I'll select the Sales Orders report. And we can now save our email trigger. As you can see, the next executed date and time is populated to a date and time 12 hours from now. By going to the dashboard and selecting Email Manager, we'll take a look at what one of these automated emails looks like. Thanks for watching.